Welcome to GrowingCraft, and this is one of my most special video. So this is a video which went viral on my Instagram, and of course before I was editing this tutorial for my YouTube, it had already went viral, and thank you so much everyone for that. Now welcome to GrowingCraft, and this side Sonia here, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now here I had this amazing cute little wooden piece and I wanted to decorate it and create a beautiful hanging. So here I'm going to use this pretty girl. This is one of the oldest napkin which I have in my collection. So I have been doing decoupage and mixed media art for almost like 6 years now or 7 years, and I absolutely love it. So I started doing this artwork because I was pitched by a company for doing a tutorial for them, and that's how I started exploring this art form, and I'm in totally love with it till date. So here I have used my Mod Podge. You can use your decoupage glue and start sticking your decoupage napkins. Now, a lot of you have been asking me which is my favorite paper base when I'm doing my decoupage art. I absolutely love decoupage napkin. I think using the napkins are the most satisfying part, and then the second number comes as my rice paper. I love them. So here, once I'm done with my sticking part, I am just going to try to remove all the wrinkles and bubbles, and I'm just going to tap it with my flat brush. Whatever the supplies I'm using are there on our website at growingcraft.com. So this is one of the easiest way to quickly do a DIYs for your home decor, for your gifting, your quirky gifts, and they look absolutely amazing. Now this is a technique where it becomes easy to literally tear off all the extra papers, and if you are not very comfortable with this one, you can even use your sandpapers. Now do let me know in the comment section if you have any of your particular way or a different way of doing this sanding work. I love using my sandpapers or even my filers too. So here I'm using my sandpaper and I'm just going to trim down all the extra papers from the edges. This is like super easy to make and a quick gifting idea. Once I'm done with this, I am going to make sure that I add a little more drama, and because this is a cute little hanging, I just thought of adding some sentiment to it. Now whenever I'm doing my mixed media art, I believe that having a good sentiment really helps. So the script stamp is my like quick go-to thing, and this has never ever disappointed me. So whatever the stamps you are seeing are available on our website at growingcraft.com. Now this is my burnt wood technique. So usually I will use the fire and do the burnt technique, but if I want to give a rustic look, I even use my permanent ink pads on the edges, and you can see that how gorgeously it looks. Like it is looking so different with my bordering work. Once I'm done with this, I am going to seal this with varnish. Now with the varnish, a lot of you have been telling me that हमने एक coat of varnish लगाया, but it is not really doing well. Guys, please use at least 2 to 3 coats of varnish. I'm sharing the link of the varnish in the description box with the supplies list. Do check that out, and I'm sure it is never ever going to disappoint you. So I really hope you like this quick tutorial. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and yes, awaiting for your subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.